their first round draft pick, 11th overall to the New Orleans Saints. This person had an 8-year NFL career. Not only is this person an impressive player and coach, they're an impressive husband and father to 8 kids. And with that, I'd love to bring up Alex Molden.
Really loved listening to Alex today. He really brought the energy, and his message totally hit home with what our team is going through, and I feel like really brought that energy and that excitement that we needed to kind of light that fire under our ass. Really enjoyed listening to him speak. Really awesome speaker.
Mentally, just put a shark in your tank. And other times there might be a smart shark in your tank. Be ready. NFS, thank you so much. Thank you so much.
He will blow you away.